Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Let's start with our Navodaya class, Navodaya coaching class. So children, I hope you're able to see my screen. Yeah, and let me tell you we are live on YouTube. So if you have any sort of doubts, if you want to ask anything or you want to answer a question, please make use of the chat box, the live chat that is under the video. I am looking at the chat box and waiting for your responses. All right. So let's start with decimals today. The first question is, you have to add these decimals. I would like to know from you how to do this, like what is the answer as per you. Then I'll tell you which one is the right answer. Let's see. It's addition of decimals. Let's see how to add decimals. So children, let me tell you, addition of decimals or subtraction of decimals is very easy. It's just like the normal numbers, the whole numbers. Now here, decimal under a decimal. If it's 21.5, put it here. 6.44, put it here. Now, let's just add them. So in this place, there is nothing. I can put a 0 or let it be like that. There is nothing. I'll put a 0 here also. Now, if we'll add 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Decimal under a decimal. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. The answer is 27.9. What is your answer? Did you get the same? 27.94 is the answer. So just remember one thing, decimal under decimal and digit under a digit, you will get the right answer always and calculate it correctly. Let's do the next one. Let's do this one. This is also addition, decimal under the decimal. 81.22, 2.62. Okay, let's add it. Come on. So over here, the addition is simple. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 8 plus 0 is 8. Is the answer 83.84? Did you get this as the answer? If yes, then this is absolutely correct. 83.84 is the right answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. Addition and subtraction in decimals is very easy. Though multiplication and division is also easy, but this is just like the normal numbers. Now, 52 does not have any decimal value. So 52.00 or 52, both are same. And then it is 1.44. Let's add them. Come on. So here 52 and here 1.44. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4 again. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 5 plus 0 is 5. It's 53.44. That's the right answer. 53.44. Let's do the next one. Come on. I hope it's done. If not, then be quick. So over here, it's 55.55, and here it is 1.11. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 5 alone. It's 56.66. Is it right? This is what you have got. 56.66 is the right answer. Good job. Let's go to the next one. This is the next question. Now you have to add 3 decimal numbers. Always just put decimal under decimal, and that's it. Add them. Over here, the numbers are 2.2. Then we have 33.3. We have 444.4. Let's add them. 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2. 9. Now 4 plus 3 plus 2 again. 9. 4 plus 3, 7. And 4 right here. 479.9 is the answer. 479.9 is the answer. Did you get the same answer? Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Which is greater? Which is greater? Now here you have to do times. So whenever we multiply a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, so you have to shift the decimal to the right side. Now in 10, we have only 1 0. There is 1 0 in 10. So if it's 1.2 here, shift the decimal one place to the right hand side. This is 12.0, you can say. So this is 12. Now it's 1.8 times 10. Shift this decimal one place to the right, and it is 18. Now it is 2.7 times 10. There is only 1 0. Shift this decimal one place to the right. It's 27. Again by 10. Shift this decimal one place to the right. It's 11. 12, 18, 27, 11. Which is the greatest of all? It is 27. That means 2.7 times 10. All right. The next one, here we go. Now, these are simple numbers. No multiplication, no addition, nothing. So this is ones, tens, and hundreds place. Let's see. You can compare with that only. So on hundreds place, you have 3 here, nothing on hundreds place, nothing. So it's clearly seen, visible that 328.79 is the greatest. 328.79. So this is the greatest. Next one, which is the small. Which is the smallest? Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so here on hundreds you have 1, on hundreds you have 3, hundreds 5, and 9 is under tens. So there is no hundreds. That means under hundreds there is 0. That means D is the correct answer. Option D is the right answer here. That is the smallest. Option D. I hope you got the same answer. Very good to the ones who are responding in the chat box. I can see your answers. Good job. Perfect. I can see D, B, C in the chat box. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. Now, which is the greatest? Find out which one is the greatest. Which one is the greatest? So over here, ones place, ones and tens place, ones place, ones place. So, okay, even though it has tens, but it is starting with 0. That is just to confuse you. So don't get confused. So 9 on ones place, 1 on ones place, 8 on ones place, and 8 on ones place. So obviously, which one is the greatest? A. Option A is the greatest. Option A. I hope you got the same answer. Option A. I can see more children are joining us. That's so great. Children, please share this video with your friends so that they can also take benefit from these coaching classes. Now let's see how to multiply the decimals by 10, 100, and 1000. That's what I taught you. Consider decimal number 12.3456. Now, if you're multiplying it by 10, what will happen? In 10, we have only 1 0. So as you're multiplying it by 10, just shift the decimal one place to the right, which is 123.456. Okay. Now, if you are multiplying it by 100, so there are 2 zeros in 100, shift the decimal 2 places to the right. Right? So it is 1234.56. Now, if you're multiplying it by 1000, so there are 3 zeros in 1000, shift it 3 places to the right side. So it is 12,345.6. Right? So the number of zeros that are present in the power of 10, those many times you just need to shift the decimal to the right side. In 10, it was only once, so I shifted the decimal only one time. In 100, it is twice, so I shifted it 2 times. In 1000, 3 zeros are there, so I shifted the decimal thrice to the right side, or 3 places to the right. Okay? Is that clear? Children, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the chat. And the ones who will watch this video later on, if you get any doubts, you can comment below the video in the comment section. Now, let's do this one. Very easy. Same number, but times 10, times 100, and times 1000. 12.34 times 10, 12.34 times 100, and 12.34 times 1000. So as it is times 10, I'll shift it one place to the right, 123.4, 2 zeros, so 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 1234.0, because after this decimal, there is nothing. Now, 3 zeros, so what I'll do is, Look, it is here 1, 2, 3. That means the decimal should be here. Now, one place is vacant here. What will I do? So I will put a 0 over here. So this is 12,340.0. If you see an empty place over here, just put a 0. 0 here, and after the decimal also, if there is no number, put a 0. Okay, so that's how you have to do it. Here I shifted only one place to the right side, here 2 places to the right side, and here 3 places, but actually there were no, we didn't have 3 places. So what did we do? We made an extra place by putting 0 over there, and then done. Right? Next one we will do. Children, I want your answers in the chat box for this question. Very good, very good. The ones who are answering in the chat box, very nice. And yes, your answer is correct. Please write your name there. Maltumkar Satyanaran. Okay, please write your name there. Your answer is correct. Do this question as well. We are going to do this. I hope it's done. Answer, answer. Okay, so over here, the answer is 172.54, shifting it one place to the right, 1725.4. Over here, 17, and I'll shift it 2 places to the right side, 1725.4.0, which is 17,254.0. Now, here it's 12.34. I have to shift it thrice. 1, 2, 3. There is nothing on this place. So what will I do? I'll simply put a 0. It's 12,340.0, you can say. Okay. So that's how we multiply the decimal by 10, 100, and 1000. Let's do this one. That's right. Come on, children, I'm waiting for your response. Okay, so here, shifting one place to the right, 655 0.43. Shifting 2 places to the right, 6,554.3. Shifting 3 places to the right, 65,543.0. Or you can simply write 65,543. That's it. Okay? 0.0 or without any decimal, both are correct. Simple strategy, you just have to shift it 1 place to the right if you're multiplying by 10, 2 places to the right if you're multiplying by 100, and 3 places to the right if you're multiplying by 1000. All right. Let's move on to the next question. This one. Come on. Answer fast. All right. I hope it's done. If not, then be quick. By the time, let me tell the answers. Oh, yeah. I got one answer. Oh, that's for other one. Okay. So here we have to shift it. Okay, this is not shifting one. Now what to do here? It is written 81.22 times 2.5 is equal to 203.05. So what will this be? 81.22 times 2.5 is 203.05. Once again, you have to tell these two. If I have shifted the decimal of 81.22, like earlier it was 81.22, now it is 812.2 times 2.5. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Actually, the digits are same, but the only thing is the decimal has been shifted. See, over here, the decimal was after 1. Now it has shifted to like here, this place, 1 digit to the right. So in the answer also the same thing will happen. Earlier it was here. Now as in the question, the decimal has shifted 1 place to the right. In the answer also, the decimal will shift 1 place to the right. Earlier it was here. Now it will be here. Answer is 2030.5. Now here it was 812.2. It is 8122.25. No decimal. So what will happen? For this, you got 2030.5. Now the decimal will shift 1 place to the right. So it is 20,305. That's how we do it. The digits are same. Okay. Red color means, I think it is visible. Everything is visible here. I hope it's visible to you now. Somebody has messaged. So over here, if you are shifting the decimal in the question, the digits are same. If you're shifting the decimal in the question, you have to shift the decimal in the answer also. Now, if it's here, 5.3 times 1.2 is 6.36. It is written over here. I have not calculated. It is written over here. 6.36. 5.3 times 1.2 is 6.36. What will be the answer for these? You do not need to calculate. Here the decimal in 5.2 has been shifted one place to the right. As it has been shifted from the question, you have to shift it from the answer also. 6.36 it was. It will be shifted one place to the right. It will be 63.6. Now, from here also the decimal has been removed. It was 1.2 in the question. Now it is 12, right? Because we got to know that 53 times 1.2 is, one second. Yeah, 53 times 1.2 is 63.6 because it has moved one place to the right. Now from the divisor also, it has been shifted one place to the right. So from the answer also, it will be shifted. So the answer is 636.0. Now, what will happen if an extra zero is put here? So, 53 times 12, we already know, 636. Now, if there is an extra zero, we will put an extra zero over here. That's the difference. So, there is no need to calculate. You just need to do the smart work. Okay, I'll change the color. Okay, so 6.36 we'll get when we will see 5.3 times 1.2. 6.36 is what we have got. Now the decimal from 5.3 has been shifted after 3. Basically, it's 53.0 now times 1.2. So the decimal will also shift one place to the right side in the answer. Okay. Let's do the next one. It is written 12.56 times 1.2 is 15.072. 15.072. Okay. Now, from here, the decimal has been shifted. If you see, earlier it was here. Now it has been shifted to the right side. So we will also shift the decimal one place to the right side. It will be 150.72. 150.72. Right? Now here it is 12.56 times 1.2. Now here 12.56. Now it has become 120. That means you have shifted one place, 1.2. You have shifted one place. Also, you have added a zero. That means you have shifted two places. So you have to, what will happen in the answer? Earlier the answer was 15.072. Now, as you are shifting two places, this will also shift two places to the right, 1507.2. Shortcut. Now, 12.56 is same. You have, like earlier it was 1.2. Now we have shifted it from like 1, 2, and 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So, in the answer also, the decimal will shift 3 places to the right. It will be 15072. That is 15,072. I hope I made this clear to you. All right. Let's do the next one. I have changed the color. I can see that also, like I have now changed it to yellow. Please rejoin. Like if you think it's not visible, try to log in again. Or maybe increase the brightness of your phone if you are watching it on phone. So here 125.6. This we will do. 452.36. Here it was 45.236. So the decimal has been shifted one place to the right side. So in the answer also, we will shift it one place to the right side. It will be 502.1196. Here also it has been shifted one place to the right side, if you can see. So doesn't matter if it's here or here. You just have to shift the decimal one place to the right side. Now here it was 45.236, but now it is 4523.6. That means you have shifted twice. So earlier the answer was this. Now you have to shift this decimal two places to the right side. It is 5021, two places to the right, right? So 5021, that is 5021.196. That's how you have to do it. Okay. So it's just how you have to shift it. Last question for our today's class, dear children. It was 59.5, like it's 59.5 here. But we have shifted one place to the right. So in the answer also, we will shift the decimal one place to the right. Okay. Next one. 595.20 times 22.2. Shifted one place to the right. Here it's 22.2. Here we have shifted and here also we have shifted. That means two places. So 132, like 09. So two places. 1, 2, 0. Next one, 5.95. One place to the left and 2.22. It was, now it is 222. 1320.9 it is, because one place to the left and two places to the right. That means only one place movement has been done. So 1320.9. Okay. So yeah, children, that's all for our today's class. I hope you understood whatever we have done. So thank you so much for joining the class. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next class. And by the time, take care and have fun. Have a good day. Bye-bye.